Welcome back to another video by Mr. Project. In this video we're going to be putting some ceramic coat on this car. So I'll go and grab the stuff that I got, have a quick read of the bottle, have a quick rundown of it, and then we'll get the car out and we will apply it and we'll see if it actually works. Don't know if it's going to work or not. Hopefully it does. So I'll grab it now and we'll have a look. Apparently this is ceramic wax. Been down and purchased this from a local super cheap, and there was lots of varieties of different ceramic. This seems to be the best, judging by what was on the label. So apparently you shake it well, wash your car, rinse the vehicle, and spray this on while it is wet. So wax as you rinse. And we'll see if it actually works. So we'll get the car out and we will apply it and see if it works. Now that we've got the car out, ready to go, we're just going to give it a quick wash, and then once it's all washed then we can apply this wax and we'll actually see if it's going to work. Wash your car with car wash, so I might have to give it a wash with some soap and then rinse your vehicle. I sort of missed that step, so I'll get some soap and I'll wash the car. Now that's all done. What have we got to do now? Now we spray this on, but I'm going to wet down a brand new microfiber cloth before I do that. Wet this down and then start spraying. I'm going to give the bottle a good shake as well, and then we'll put it on, see what it does. After you apply it and it goes on wet, you got to get a dry cloth and clean the excess off, which is what I'm doing now. And then after that we'll actually test to see how good this product is, and hopefully it is what it says it is. I was just reading the bottle and I thought I'd done it wrong, but it says at the very bottom for the initial application, skip step 4, and step 4 is spray it on the roof pretty much and rinse it off. But if you read down here, go directly to step 5, dry using a clean dry towel for the final wipe. This establishes a foundation layer of protection and beading. So that is what I've done. I, for some reason, thought I'd done it wrong, so that is what I did. Car's looking very, very shiny. So let's give it a water test and see if it beads up. Let's give it a water test and see if it beads up. Grab the hose. Definitely looks like it's working. Get it all beaten off. There you have it, guys. I actually do rate this ceramic wax. It actually does work. So if you're thinking about putting some sort of paint protection on your car, I'd definitely go with that. Seems to work. And for 50, I think it was 50 bucks. For 50 bucks, you get paint protection. Don't know how long it's going to last. I will do an update video in the future and let you know. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.
In the socket, you do
Way
it
to
by
go and
hand.
think about it, Jamie. Fuck me. Anyone think you're a fucking mechanic or something?
Bill's changing his brake pads because they were worn out.
On your recommendation, Cox, mate. Bill, your brakes are fucked. You
I
need
said
to
the
go.
rotors, mate, the rotors.
You did not. You told me to get pads
Look at
and
that.
not rotors.
Look at
You
this.
fucking pelican.